So my wife and I have done a lot of work around our house, and I built a lot of things out of metal and wood and things like that around my house. People are telling us that we should put it on YouTube. We wanted to wait until we got our new garage built. I've worked a lot of side jobs for the past 4 years to pay for a building. This is a 23 by 32 cement pad that we're going to put our new garage on. It's already paid for, but thanks to COVID, they're not setting up buildings right now, so we're kind of stuck in limbo here. So we were going to wait until the new garage is done to start the channel, but we don't know when that's going to be due to COVID. So we're going to go ahead and get started now. So for the first little while, just be nice. I don't have much experience with these GoPros. I've tried doing some filming and it's turned out horrible, so I'll keep trying to get better at it. But I just figured I'd try to show some of the stuff that I do around the house, show them to other people, try to teach them. A lot of the people that I've worked for doing construction jobs, you know, they've said, you know, if I could do this, I would just do it myself. And so a lot of times I've helped people versus just doing the work for them. And so I guess that's kind of what I want to accomplish with this channel, is go ahead and showing people how I do some of these things, and show people that it's actually not that difficult, that a lot of these jobs can actually handle themselves. So one of the things that I was talking about when people say I should put some of this stuff that I built on YouTube, this is a 24-inch lawn roller that I got from my wife's grandparents. I have a 3-acre yard. There's no way this thing's going to be sufficient for a lawn roller. So I went and started cutting it up and built a little door for it, and a lady from work gave me some fire brick to put inside, and I've been using this for a few years now. I did buy the chimney stack because I'm not confident enough in myself to not burn my garage down. We're gonna have a lot of projects coming up. We're always doing something on our 6 acres here. So if you want to see the next project, consider subscribing. And if there's anything that you'd like to see, whether it's drywall, plumbing, electrical, building stuff out of metal or wood, or any other little knick-knack type stuff, go ahead and let us know, and we'll consider making a video for it.